In front of you, you can see the propylaea that controlled the entrance into the Acropolis. Its construction began in 437 BC and was terminated in 432 when the building was still unfinished. The propylaea was constructed of white pentelic marble and grey Eleusinian marble or limestone, which was used only for accents. The core is the central building, which presents a standard 6-column Doric facade both on the west to those entering the Acropolis and on the east to those departing. The columns echo the proportions In front of you is the Athena Promachos. This is a colossal bronze statue of Athena sculpted by Pheidias, which stood on the Acropolis of Athens. It showed Athena standing with a spear alongside her shield resting upright against her leg. Pheidias also sculpted the huge gold and ivory statue named Athena Parthenos, located inside the Parthenon. The Athena Promachos was one of the earliest works